Hello friends and followers. Well, it's most likely time to put the band switch back into the Collins 32S-1. I did grease the band switch a little bit with this synthetic grease that I used to use for Drake radios, VFOs on Drakes. Anyway, I just put a real light coating on there. Why? Because if you push this thing too hard and it gets stuck on one of these, it'll smash the wafer right through. How do I know that? I've done it on the HRO 500 radio, so I don't want to repeat that anyway. So one hand here, you just want to turn this until it basically finds the groove and push it through there. And the same here. I didn't really turn any of these, I don't think, so you don't want to turn them too far. You want all these to agree. So anyway, actually, why am I putting this in? Because I gotta put the cans back on. I guess it's good to see if it all lines up. Yeah, it does. Get it lined up, pull it back out, put the cans, put these back on. All right, that's all I'm gonna do with this video because I realized, yeah, you gotta put those back on. So I'm not gonna test it with the cans off. I'm just gonna put it back on. This, after all, is the junk transmitter, supposedly. It may not be junk when I'm done, but I guess when 15 meters doesn't work, it's junk, right? That's how people on eBay respond. If one thing doesn't work right, they're never gonna buy it. It's like, oh my God. That's how it is. All right, thank you for watching. I still gotta put this little darn thing in here. These go in like this. They're little RF shields. They're hard to get in. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.